I thought everything was fine. Then I felt water hit my forehead. That's 3 days from now. 3 days earlier, the building felt ready. At least ready enough to start closing the inside. The outside was done. Done enough anyway. And then you open the door and it's just this. 4 walls. A floor that isn't really a floor. Out there, every board changed the building. You nailed it up and you couldn't see the difference. In here, most of the work disappears the second you finish it. That's fine, unless something hidden is already wrong. The floor that was never meant to stay had to go first. And honestly, I liked that part. For about 15 minutes. This felt like the kind of work I have been looking forward to. Taking something apart. Making room for the real thing. I was really looking forward to this. I thought this part would feel good. Not easy exactly, but simple. A few layers, subfloor, insulation, a vapor barrier, chipboards, one layer after another. And I thought that would feel like progress. For a while, it didn't. It was just me, on the floor, moving things around. Trying not to get it wrong. And at some point, I really hated it. Not in a big dramatic way. Just enough to wonder why I keep choosing things that make my life harder. And the worst part was, I could see the progress. That wasn't a problem. The room was changing. Slowly. But everything about it felt endless. Dust everywhere. Small pieces everywhere. Insulation everywhere. Me on the floor for what felt like the rest of my life. Nothing was really difficult. Not one thing. But all of it together was just a lot. And I think that's where it got to me. Not because it went wrong, but because it never really stopped. Then the vapor barrier went over it. And suddenly, all that dust, all that work, was hidden. Then the first sheetboard went down. That was the first time it started to look less like a frame, and more like a room. Eventually, the last board went down. And for the first time, this place had a floor. Not the one I had taken apart, a real one. And for a moment, I actually liked it again. For about a day. And then it rained. 2 spots in the roof. Right over the floor I had just finished. I was ready for the next part. I was so ready to start with insulation today. And these fucking things happened. Instead, I was back to chasing water. I couldn't even get up there. It was thunder all afternoon, and I really didn't want to climb a wet roof in a storm. So I just stood there, watching it drip into a bucket. I fixed it the next day. Boring fix. Not really worth filming. If this had happened a little later, after everything was insulated, after everything was covered, I might not have seen it. Not until something had already started going wrong. So yeah, it set me back. At some point, you just have to stop. Put the tools down, get on the water, and just enjoy life for a while. This was the first trip of the year. I didn't think about the workshop once. Well, almost. I spent a lot of time alone in that building, on my knees, covering up work nobody's ever gonna see. And then, there's this. Same week, same life. It took me a while to understand. You're allowed to have both. The leak didn't destroy anything, but it did slow me down. Not just the work, the feeling. After I sorted it out, I tried to get back into it, insulate the walls, close a little more of the room, pretend I was still on track. And for a while, it almost worked. One wall, then another, 2 walls done, 2 still open. Not finished, not ready, but not standing still either. And at that point, that was enough. And the strange thing is, it does look better. So weeks ago, you could still see straight through this place, frame and daylight. Now there's a floor, insulation in the walls, some of it filled, some of it still open. So it should feel good, and I think it does. Somewhere. But progress doesn't always feel like progress when you're tired. Sometimes it just feels like less unfinished than yesterday. The roof leaked, the insulation ran out, the electrician still can't start, but it's also not where it was. And this week, that had to be enough. Next week, I'm not here, so the workshop has to wait. The walls have to wait. And honestly, maybe that's not the worst thing, because some weeks ago, this was just lines on a drawing. Now it's a room. Not finished, not even close, but real enough to stand inside. And somehow, that feels like everything.